Now in this video we are going to solve the problem number 5, that is how to draw this by using AutoCAD software. A point is lying on HP, 20 mm behind VP and 35 mm behind or in front or from RPP. Draw its projections and name the side view. First we will go for the AutoCAD screen and switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. The first is, the command is limits. So you type LIMITS, limits. Specify lower left corner. So by default it is 0, 0. You accept that. Upper right corner is 12, 9. So that is this point. So we need to extend the limits of the drawing. So I will take some arbitrary distance, 500, 500. Since we have changed the limits, but we need to adjust the display. So for that, the display command is zoom. I will type Z, enter, then type A all. So here, now both the limits and the display are been set for the 500, 500. So now we go for line command. Select some arbitrary point and drag the mouse towards the right side by keeping the ortho mode on, and take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. And again you take some distance and just click on the first button of the mouse in the upper direction and say enter. Now we need to take the A4 size sheet, therefore offset command is O. So basically offset command is used to draw a parallel entity. That means I want to draw a line, vertical line at a distance of 297 from this. So I will type 297. So select object to offset. I want to offset this line. You select this. Which is the side of offset? You take to the left side. Take the cursor just to the left side and click on first button of the mouse. So again he says select object to offset. If I offset this, then what happens? It will offset by 297. But I want this line to be offsetted by 210 only. So since by default it is exit, you just come out. And since the previous command is also offset, you just press enter key. So then I want to give the distance as 210, and you select this horizontal line, select object to offset and offset to the top side. Take that. Then press enter key. Then go to fillet, or you can use trim. So select between these two, you will get this. Again fillet, select between these two, this and this, and you select between these two. Then zoom, extend. See, extend point, it will going to extend the drawing till to the drawing what you have written. So basically when we have used the all command, all option in zoom, what it does it will always regenerate the drawing to the limits. Now if I say extend, so it will extend till to the entity whatever it has been drawn. Again I will go to zoom. I will take 60% of the display, so it will comes back. Then again I will consider zoom window. Take some nearer distance so that you can be able to write and look legitimately here. So now the command is dtext, so dt. So to write the text, specify start point of text, you select some arbitrary point. So what is the height of the text? I will go to take 4. Specify rotation angle of text is 0. So you will go to get this. So now a point is lying on HP. Now you write a point, problem number 5. A point is lying on HP, comma, then 20 mm behind VP, 20 mm behind VP, then and 35 mm and 35 mm behind or in front or from RPP. Draw its projections and name the side view. Then draw its projections and name the side view. Then you just enter it. So this is how you will be able to write this. Then I will go for zoom previous. I will go to get back to your normal view. And of course the display command is flexible and you can use whenever you want. It's not that only, and the display command is in general. Now I will just go to, I want to solve this problem now. To solve this problem, I will just take that particular drawing which will be on this. I will go to that. So here you take to this problem, and here we will take, and how to solve that particular problem which is already there. You will just come to this, and I will here. So here this is the xy line, and this one will going to be the x1 y1 line. So identify the vertical plane, the horizontal plane, and the right profile plane. So to do that, so now first I will go to layer. So now click on new layer. I want to make that it as front view layer. Click on new. I want to write the top view layer. Click on new. I want to write a side view. And click on new. I want to try XY. So layer 0 will have the line weight as 0.05. Okay. Layer X5 will have the line weight as 0.13. So these are the two lines which you are going to get. Layer 0 by default it will be a projector line what we are considering. When you look at the drawing, the front view is magenta color, top view is red color, and the side view is blue color. So now you adjust that. Front view is magenta color, you just go to magenta and say OK. Then the top view, go to this color option, you just click on that black. So it becomes red now, you just select that red. And then the side view, you take the color of that and you make it as blue color and say OK. So I have set all the layers, and everything has been finished now. I will just come out of this. Then I will go for zoom window, take nearer to the screen. Now we will start writing this. So to do that, I will come to line command, draw a horizontal line of any distance, enter. Then you just, previous command is line, again you take some distance and draw the vertical line. Then after that you just identify the planes VP, HP and RPP. So to do that, go to the texture. So here you mark this as VP, and then here in bracket HP, then here you bracket RPP. Then zoom window, you take still nearer to the screen, and then go to move, switch off the ortho mode. You just click and take it wherever you want. Then move, you select this, select some arbitrary point, specify base point from, and you move it wherever you want. Similarly here you just take it out and move it appropriately so that you will going to have the clear display, or you just take this outside because the line will going to come here. So you just go to VP, go to CH. See VP, the point what you will going to get is the front view. You just select front view layer, so automatically the default color of that particular layer will be assigned here. Then you just go to this and go to layer, make that to the top view. So automatically that color will going to take. So here go to layer and make this as side view. Once you do that, then zoom previous. Now we want this line which is 35 mm line. So from here you measure 35 and draw a vertical line. So how to do that? Go to offset, take the distance as 35 mm. You select this vertical line and offset till here, and then go to trim. By default it select all the edges as cutting edges. You just click over this, so object to trim it will going to take. Then what I need to do is I want to draw 20 mm line from here. So you again just go to offset, take the distance as 20. You select this line and offset here. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. Now then what we need is I want to draw a line from the origin at an angle of 45 degrees. So go to line by using relative polar coordinate system. So I want to take the intersection of these two. So I need to go for O snap. Specify first point, I will say intersection of this. Take the cursor to this point and then at the rate 220 at the rate 200 less than. So here go to line, take intersection point of this and say at the rate 100 less than 45 degrees. Then enter. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. So you will go to get this. Go to fillet between this line and this line and go to break. Break this line till here and you break this line till here and you break this line till here and you break this line till here. Similarly, break this line till here. Then go to zoom window, take this and bring it near. You just take move, select this and keep it. Then go to donut. Inside diameter is 0, outside diameter is 3 and take intersection point of this. Okay. Then intersection point of this. Okay. Then intersection point of this. So that is what we have shown here. One point, second point and the third point. Now we want to change it to a different layer. You just go to this, go to layer, make that layer as top view, escape. Similarly, you just select this, go to layer, make it as front view. So automatically see that even though I am not changing the color, but the moment when I select the layer, automatically the color will going to change. Similarly, on this case, go to layer, you make that as side view. So automatically all those things is going to be changed. Now once you do that, now we want to go for dimensioning. So you will go to DDIM and then modify. So what I want the primary units of the linear dimension, you make it 0. Then go to fit text, take the text height as 4 and then align with the dimension line, the vertical becomes above. Offset from the dimension line, you make it 3, that means this distance. Then go to symbols, you can see here the distance has been changed. Arrow size, I will going to make it 4 and then lines. Then offset from the origin, that means there should be a gap between this extension line and this line. So for that I will going to use 3 and say okay. And then you can see that offset from the dimension line is here. Then say close and I need to go for dim horizontal, take center of this because we have the donut which is a circle and then go to end point of this. So you will going to get 35. Similarly, dim vertical, take center of this and you take center of this CEN. So obviously you are going to get 20. Now we go for D text. Select this here and you mark this as capital X and here as capital Y and here it as X1 and here it as Y1. So now once you get this, now you just move it around. Then here you take it X1, then Y1 and then X. So now we have all these things has been written. Now I want to give 45 degree and also this projectors. So we go for leader. So here I will take nearest point on this and you just put on the ortho mode. Go to annotation option. Similarly leader, take nearest point on this and you just click over this annotation option. Similarly leader, take nearest of this and you just click over this annotation option. So now we have the projection and then dim angular ENG, select this and you select this, automatically you will going to get this as 45 degrees. Then go to move, select this and move it out. Now we want to write, this is the name, the side view is the side view. I want to write that RSV. Now you just go to zoom window, then go to leader, take center of this. Of course you can take it in whichever way you want, like you can take it small angle and put the ortho mode on. Annotation option none. Here you type D text and you type capital RSV, which is the right side view. Then go to this. So this is how you will be able to write. Now D text the point capital P. So now we need to identify the points now. To write the points, here we have P, small p, P dash and this. So go to D text, write small p dash, and here it is P double dash. Then go to move, select this and place it. Of course ortho you switch off. Then go to move, select this and then you select this. So you just click on this, go to CH, that is the layer, make that layer as top view, escape, select this, make that layer as front view, escape, take this, go to layer, make that layer as side view. So this is how you will be able to solve this problem, and then you go to text and then you write point capital P lies in second quadrant. Okay, then this is how you will be able to solve this. Now we are going to take up the one more case, that is the point P is in the third quadrant. How to start? Again you just take it out, go to line, draw a first one horizontal line and then you draw a vertical line. Then you mark the text. You can mark this as VP, that is as HP, and this as VP, and this as right profile plane. Then go to zoom window, bring it nearer, go to move, select this and switch off the ortho mode. Go to VP, HP, RPP. Once you do that, now we want to take 35 mm, like whatever we have done in the previous case. So go to offset, take the distance as 35, you select this. Then go to offset, take the distance as 20, you select this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then you just take trim, TR is the command, go to TR, trim this portion. Then go to line, take INT of this. So at the rate 100 less than 45. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw a perpendicular to this now. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to break, select this and break this till here and then you erase it. Then you take break of this. Then similarly you take the break of this. Then go to donut, 0, enter, take intersection point of this. Then INT of this and then INT of this. So exactly similar to this case, you have the drawing you see, except the coordinates what it will going to change. Then go to dim horizontal, take end of this and take center of this. So you're going to get 35. Then dim vertical, take center of this and take center of this. So you're going to get 20. Now we need to type the text now. Go to D text. So here you type small letter P, P dash, then P double dash. Then we have D text. Type capital letter X. This is Y and this is X1 and this is Y1. Now we need to change this line, the line widths, and this line and this line. So both these things will going to have the layer XY. Okay. Then you just come down to this nearer to the screen. Then go to move, select this, and from Y you select this. So similarly Y1 you select this, and all these things which you can be moved here. Then go to dim angular between this line and this line. You will going to get it as 45 degrees. Now you want to change. You just select this and you select this. Go to layer, make that as top view. Then of course you need to select this. Go to layer, make that layer as top view. Then you just move this and place it nearer. You select between these two and you select this and go to layer, make that as front view. Then you select this, okay, and you select between these two, go to layer, make that layer as side view. So here you just move it, and now we need to transfer the draw the projectors. So go to nearest, switch on the ortho mode, you take it, options, it's none. So go to leader, take nearest on this. Again you annotation options none. Similarly leader, take nearest on this, take annotation options none. So this is how you will be able to write the drawing for both first quadrant, second quadrant. Now I will just copy this directly here. Once you do that, so here I am copying the same thing, and only thing is I need to change. To change the type remoter, you will go for the text, and here I will type third quadrant. So this is how you will be able to solve this particular problem by using AutoCAD software. This drawing and this drawing is exactly similar. So whenever this type of drawing occurs, either we can write the problem, either we can solve the problem using second quadrant, or it can be solved by using the third quadrant. But you have to write point P lies in second as well as third quadrant. So this is how you will be able to solve this problem. And here we need to, since he says name the side view, you just take leader, you select this and you switch on the ortho mode, and you take annotation option. Go to copy, select this and you switch off this and bring it the right side view here. Okay, and now you just come down, since here the P dash, P double dash is overlapping, and either you can keep it here. So this is how you will be able to solve this problem. Thank you.